Hello my dear friends, today I'll be talking about a flaxseed tea. What will happen in your body if you decide one day that you will drink flaxseed tea minimum for the 15 days in a row. Flaxseed is maybe the oldest superfood in our planet. It's really known that flaxseed existed 6,000 years ago. This is really like mind blowing. In today's show you will learning a lot about this. At the end of the show I will give you a special recipe. Just one serving of flaxseed provides a good amount of protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acid, along with the several important vitamins and minerals. Flaxseed are excellent source of dietary fiber and a plant-based protein. Flaxseed contains zero cholesterol. They are rich in alpha-linoleic acid, omega-3 fatty acid, and lignans. The minerals present in these seeds include thiamine, manganese, and magnesium. They are also rich source of vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, iron, potassium, and the sodium. Lignans are the natural hormones that block the action of the bad estrogen, which can lead to develop of the breast cancer. And this is my first recommendation for you. If you drink regularly flaxseed tea, researchers are well documented this, you get a very good chance to not get any breast cancer. As a part of healthy diet, flaxseed may be able to prevent certain types of cancer, including breast, prostate, ovarian, and the colon cancer. As a study published in Journal of Clinical Cancer Research discovered that consumption of flaxseed may defend against breast cancer by decreasing tumor growths. Certain studies show that women experience a reduced risk for developing breast cancer when they consume larger amounts of dietary fibers, lignans, carotenoid antioxidants, vegetables, and poultry. Also, flaxseed tea may help you manage your weight. Since flaxseed is full of healthy fats and the fiber, it helps you feel satisfied for the longer. This means you may wound up eating fewer calories overall, which may lead to weight loss. Also, flaxseed tea may also help reduce inflammation and help with hormonal balance. Inflamed body tends to hold excessive weight, plus it's common to struggle with digestive issues like constipation and bloating if you're eating an unhealthy diet. And also, flaxseed tea helps decrease menopausal and hormonal imbalances symptoms. Lignans found in flaxseed has been shown to have positive effects on menopausal women. In fact, flaxseed can be used as an alternative to hormone replacement therapy in some cases, or a complementary approach to balancing hormones due to estrogenic properties that lignans have. They are excellent source of selenium, which is important for many health benefits. Consume it especially in the winter months because it will protect you from the colds, viruses, and the flu. Furthermore, this tea is excellent for the health of the heart and the blood vessels. In this way, you significantly reduce risk of the heart attack and the stroke. Usually, when you think about it, your gut microbiome, and I was taking a lot of consideration, and I was taking a lot of my videos in the last 5 years. When your gut microbiome is very good, you will have a very good immunity. When you drink flaxseed tea, your gut microbiome is gonna go up, and it would be very good for your health. Also, when you drink this tea, you reduce your stress, anxiety, and depression in the lower level. That is also very good. And very good news for all people that have discomfort in your joints. You have arthritis in your hip, bones, maybe you have the back pain or whatever. Usually we know that drinking of flaxseed tea is going to reduce inflammation in your joints and will help you a lot. In this way, the cartilage in the joints works better and you have the less pain, swelling and the stiffness. Improves the health of the eyes and the prostate, prevents the development of the colon cancer, which is incredible news. In this way, you support skin health, reduce appearances on the wrinkles and naturally fight skin diseases such as eczema, psoriasis and dermatitis. Flaxseed is also very well known for control the blood sugar in your body. This means you're going to prevent diabetes or insulin resistance. That is one of the major problems in modern world. This is also very good and exciting news. When you want to know how you're gonna make this tea, is if you heard me before, you want to drink this tea in many cases 50 days in a row. After 50 days you must take a rest period. You make this and this way. Ingredients: 2 small spoons of flaxseed, 500 milliliters of boiling water, a little lemon juice and 1 small spoon of organic honey. Boil 500 milliliters of water and add 2 small spoons of flax seed. Reduce the heat and let the water and seed simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain the tea, let it cool for another 10 minutes and add lemon juice and little bit of honey. And for this is, easiest way to make this flaxseed tea. You can drink this as I said it before, but couple more interesting information when you're drinking this tea. Also, it reduces the ovarian dysfunction. In menstruating women, a regular consumption of the flaxseed is shown inhibits cycle changes and reduce the ovarian dysfunction. Also, flaxseed consumption can reduce dry eye syndrome. Also, the omega fatty acid can reduce risk of macular degeneration and eye disease caused by damaged nerve in the eye. So, ovarian problems also are very good for the eye problems. This is like unbelievable tea. One more really important information: how to prepare flax seeds besides flax seeds tea. To reap the most health benefits, experts usually recommended ground flaxseed instead of whole flaxseed. Flax seeds are even more beneficial when sprouted and ground into flaxseed meal because grinding flax helps you absorb both types of fiber it contains. Whole flax seeds will pass right through your body without being digested, which means you will not receive some of its nutrients. You can grind whole flaxseed in the coffee grinder, which is best done immediately before eating them so they do not spend much time exposed to air. You can also buy flaxseed pre-ground as flaxseed meal or golden flaxseed meal. Like other sources of fiber including chia seeds and the hemp seeds, make sure to take them with plenty of water and the fluids. Additionally, flax seeds are used to make flaxseed oil, which is easily digested and a concentrated source of healthy fats. Another product of flax plant is linseed oil, which is boiled oil that used to be oil-based paints, glazing putties for windows and as a wound grain protector. Boiled linseed oil should never be taken internally. If you have any kind of suggestion how you making maybe a flaxseed tea, or maybe you drinking flaxseed tea on a regular basis, please comment below. Maybe other health benefits I didn't mention it, but you are experiencing it. Leave it in the comments below. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.